జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డుల ప్రధానోత్సవం ఢిల్లీ విజ్ఞాన్ భవన్లో జరుగుతోంది. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
For an intensely compelling portrayal of middle-class aspirations, a convoluted education methodology, and the emotional and psychological pressure on teenage children to fulfill their parents' expectations.
सर्वश्रेष्ठ संपादन श्रेणी में हिंदी इंग्लिश फिल्म शट अप सोना के संपादक श्री अर्जुन गौरी सरिया को रजत कमल दिया जाता है.
Awarded for keeping the right pace and editing punches that elucidate the bold yet nuanced profile of Indian woman and her struggles for seeking equal space in modern India. With this, all the awards for non-feature films stand awarded. I now request the Honourable Vice President and all dignitaries present on stage to please be seated.
अब मैं केंद्रीय सूचना एवं प्रसारण राज्य मंत्री माननीय डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन को संबोधन के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूं.
Honorable Vice President of India, respected Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Minister of Information and Broadcasting, respected Sri Anurag Singh Thakur ji, winner of Dada Sahib Phalke Award, Sri Rajinikanth ji, Secretary of our department, Sri Apurva Chandra ji, juries, chairpersons and members, all the award winners, dignitaries, guests, ladies and gentlemen, namaste, vanakkam. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you all to the 67th Film Awards. I congratulate those who winning the awards. They are coming here. I congratulate courteous congratulations to you. Dear National Film Award winners, you are all the best creative minds in the field of movies and movie making. You have made us proud. Congratulations to all of you for the awards. Friends, we Indian like storytelling. Our epics, our Puranas, our folk music and folk tales entertains us with plots and drama. With the movie Raj Hari Chandra, our cinema too joined in this rich tradition. People like Dada Sahib Phalke, Prithviraj Kapoor and others consolidated it. The great N.T. Ramarao brought alive Lord Rama and Krishna on silver screen. Gradually, socially important themes were explored, the stories and struggles of our society and particularly the fishermen were brought to life on silver screen by the Purachi Thalaivar Dr. MGR, and in his movies Menavan Anban, Padagoti and Madurai Veeran, etc., etc. The valor and patriotism of heroes of freedom struggles like Vavu Chidambaram Pillai and Veerapandi Kattabomman was played with a force in movies like Kappalottiya Thamilan, Veerapandi Kattabomman by the legendary Sri Sivaji Ganesan ji. Hindi movies along with movies produced in all other languages enriched the Indian cinema. Many actors, directors, producers immensely contributed in growing the stature of Indian cinema. Indian cinema not only shaped our aesthetic taste and experience, it also connected all of us with the feeling of oneness from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. These 135 awards in 21 languages reflect a wide range of themes. Films like Marakkar, Otta Seruppu, Helene, Asuran, and Engineering Dreams, Hisa, Magresi, and all other award-winning entries are truly reflective of this diversity. Films made in languages like Paniya, Tulu, Missing, Kasi, Monpa show how keenly our friends want to tell their stories in their languages. I am happy to note that our government focuses on setting up campus of film training institute at Itanagar also will further assist these efforts. Our dynamic and visionary Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has always highlighted the important role played by the cinema, our Indian cinema. Under his leadership, our efforts for a single window facilitations for international and domestic film producers, our step to preserve cinematic heritage through National Museum are going into the right direction. Friends, before I conclude, I once again congratulate all award winners and also countless those who were involved in the making of the award-winning movies. I commend film fraternity for showing a strong resilience during the challenge time of COVID-19. I'm confident that with the brilliant creative minds that you are, the stories of our villages and cities, stories from our great, rich literature will be made as showcast. In this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, stories of our unsung heroes will find a global viewership through our movies. Together we all will work to make Indian cinema a force to reckon with all the world level. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
माननीय डॉक्टर एल मुरुगन, आपके संबोधन के लिए आपका आभार।
We will now honor the award recipients for the feature films category. I would like to request the Honorable Vice President, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, to kindly present the remaining awards.
माननीय अतिथिगण, इस वर्ष फीचर फिल्म ज्यूरी ने 4 फिल्मी हस्तियों का विशेष उल्लेख किया है जिन्हें प्रमाण पत्र दिए जा रहे हैं। पहला विशेष उल्लेख मराठी फिल्म पिकासो के निर्देशक श्री अभिजीत मोहन वारंग का किया गया है। इन्हें प्रमाण पत्र प्रदान किया जा रहा है।
The director interestingly portrays the life of a struggling folk artist and his son aspiring to enter a world-renowned painting school against the backdrop of popular folk theatre Dasavatar.
दूसरा विशेष उल्लेख मराठी फिल्म लता भगवान करे के लिए अभिनेत्री लता भगवान करे जी का किया गया है। इन्हें भी प्रमाण पत्र दिया जा रहा है।
A powerful portrayal of the real